Okay, what is going on? What's the deal? Pickles, is everything kosher? Guys, it's me, Marlon Bennett, guys, and I'm back in another affiliate traffic brokers YouTube video review, guys. And tonight we're going to be doing a review. We're going to be doing a review, guys, on secondsplash.com. It's called secondsplash.com. It's really new. It's not even, I don't even really know if I call it a pre-launch because it won't really officially launch until November 11th. Maybe you guys will be seeing that video right around the time of the actual official launch. But it's definitely a piece of software that I think every internet marketer is going to want to get their hands on, guys. And here's the cool thing. You can actually join secondsplash.com absolutely free and benefit all of the amazing tools and resources that's built within the membership. And you can use them to your advantage to generate more traffic and generate more leads and probably some cash too, guys, in the process. Okay, so let's talk about secondsplash.com and why I'm so impressed with it and why I'm all in. All in meaning when it does go, the official launch has happened. I will upgrade to the $23 monthly membership, and after this video, I think you guys will understand why. But you'll still be able to jump in here whether or not you opt to do that or not, and use secondsplash.com to your benefit as another tool, resource, technique, strategy in your marketing arsenal in terms of an affiliate traffic broker and an individual who's looking to generate more traffic and leads anyway for your business, right? Now, what you're looking at is one of the actual capture pages that you're actually going to be given when you join. And it's really explosive. Now, the creator, Bruce Baxter, right? I have actually followed him for quite a while. I actually was in Easy Cash. I think it's called Easy Cash for Ads, or Easy Cash for Ads, I believe it was called. But I stopped doing it a few years ago. I love the system even back then. I love the way that he creates everything he creates. But there was no real incentive for that actual system in my mind to perpetuate itself. And I think that's why he's going in and sort of done something a little bit different. I'm going to show it to you guys. I think you guys are going to like it. And let's just jump right in, guys. So now you're looking at one of the lead capture pages. And there are several of them built within this membership. And so I'm going to jump over to one of the others. And just to give you guys, you know, I'm very visual, just to give you guys a bird's eye view of what you're going to experience, right? And this is the way Bruce does things. And it's always really innovative. It's always really different, right? And when we talk about lead capture, you guys have heard me mention lead capture diversification. Well, wow, guys, I have to say it. Lead capture diversification is not going to get much simpler than this, okay? So inside of secondsplash.com, these are just some of the tools you're going to actually have instant access to. Now, here's the cool thing, guys. Listen to what I'm saying, because I'm going to be doing quite a few videos on this. I've been inside the software all day just playing around with it. I love it. So you become a member over here at secondsplash.com, right? Absolutely free if you choose, or when it actually goes official on the 11th of November, you want to upgrade to the $23 version. I think you're going to be really impressed with what happens when you do, but it's your decision. But you need to have this piece of software if you are truly an internet marketer who's serious about generating more traffic and more leads for your business. We're talking about double the exposure, right? So you got your page, right? You're doing your thing. You're inside maybe the affiliate traffic brokers resources. Maybe you're using some of that traffic. And you're going to start taking some of that traffic and driving them right into this lead capture page. This is actually a splash page. But let me show you what happens when people click, guys. When a person clicks your lead capture page, what's going to happen is, if my slow computer ever wakes up, they're going to be redirected to an explosive lead capture page, right? There's just no way most people are going to be able to say no. But it gets really sexy, guys. So I want you guys to hold on. I'm going to put my name inside of the block, which your potential prospects will do too. And then I'm going to submit. And watch what happens when this happens, guys. And this is why you want to go on and lock into a free, or when it goes live on the 11th, paid version of secondsplash.com. Okay. So here we are. We redirect right inside the sales page, right inside where all this explosive stuff is going to happen. I'm going to leave a video right under this video so you guys get to watch through this whole thing, so you get to really get a thorough understanding of exactly what's going on inside of secondsplash.com, guys. There's more than the eye can see, right? And you guys are going to really love this. But I will tell you guys this. You're going to be able to create your own splash pages, right? On the fly, guys, okay? And what you're going to be able to do with those splash pages, I can't even tell you. But let's look at the personalization of this actual software, guys. I'm going to enlarge my screen just a little bit if I could. And you'll see when your prospects, like when I just put my name inside of this block, guys, this is what populates. This is just how smart this AI is, guys, right? This is artificial intelligence at its finest. But anyway, it's going to actually personalize the message as your prospects come through that lead capture pages. You can see there's my name right there, right? And it's going to do the exact same thing for all your prospects. Guys, I'm not even going to try to tell you guys what else is happening inside here, but I will tell you this. You start using this software, there's no reason, I just don't think you're going to be able to go wrong. I'm going to be using it, guys, okay? Like I said, I'm all in. When it goes live, I'm at the $22 a month pro membership. And what I want you guys to pay special attention to is should you come through the page, right? And this is really, really explosive. I want you guys to pay attention to the way that the actual system works, right? Because remember Easy Cash for Ads, and that was the name of Bruce's other program. I mean, he has several. It was built similar to this, guys, where you're going to be able to grow your list exponentially through this actual marketing system. And there's a reverse 2-up system that's built inside of this bad boy. And you guys have to see it, because not only are you going to be able to probably double, maybe possibly quadruple the amount of traffic you have, and you'll understand it after watching the video. That's just that whether the free or paid membership, because the actual software works the same way. But when you upgrade, guys, now you're talking about those payments too. And I want to say they're 50% commission. So whatever happens, 22 is, that's like $11. But you got to remember, this thing is perpetuating itself, right? All the way through, right? All the way through. Not only with your traffic and lead generation, because the person that you actually come in under, and hopefully it'll be me tonight or whenever you find this video, then guys, I'm going to take your first 2 referrals. Yep, I didn't stutter, guys. I'm going to take your first 2 referrals. And then that's going to happen for you as you start bringing people into the system too, okay? And that's how we're going to perpetuate the growth of the amount of exposure, traffic, leads that we're able to generate probably on a daily basis using this bad boy, guys. So I'm not even going to go into any of trying to do any demos on the actual software. I'm still having too much fun. I'm back in the back office. You guys will get to explore, read over the entire page, see exactly how this amazing piece of software is working, guys. Again, this is the actual official review for secondsplash.com. In my own words, it's me, Marlon Bennettt, guys. I am the original student of the game of internet marketing. Internet marketing doesn't get much better than that. I'll leave the link below this video for all you guys on my list. I'll just send it straight to you guys. And for all my YouTubers, guys, you'll find the link in the YouTube video description area somewhere. Thanks so much for dropping in, guys. We'll go on and get yourself locked in. I'll see you guys on the next video.